What's up, everybody? Back here again. Today I'm actually posting a video that I did probably like a week and a half ago, but it's a simple product review, I guess you could say. And I wanted to make sure the product was cool. And that product is the Kilmat. This is a sound deadening material. Now, right now, what I'm using it for is for the roof, to line the roof on my Montero. The reason I'm doing that is because I removed the sunroof on it. I had it welded shut, deleted. So now without that sunroof, the metal is just kind of flimsy. When they installed the sunroof, they removed the bracket or the support beam that was across the roof. So I didn't get anything installed when they removed it or when they deleted it. The guy just deleted it for me. I'm going to figure out a way later on to put some pressure and hold it up. Raise the roof. Literally. So, yeah, I'm using this Kilmat material. This is the 80 millimeter, and I found it on Amazon. And overall, as far as deadening material that I've seen, it's actually pretty good. It sticks good. We've had some cold nights, well, what we consider cold in California, and I've had no issue with it in any part of it, like peeling off. That was kind of my fear because it is going on the roof. And so far, no issues. I like it. It seems to weigh down the roof a little more than it was before. But like I said, I'll end up finding some way to support it. But for right now, this is working out. And I'm actually planning to put some heat, I forget what they call it, heat absorbent material. So when it's hot, the 3-digit 100+ degree weather out here in California, I won't be baking in the sun. All that heat will hopefully not transfer to me or in the cab. And it doesn't help that I don't have AC in there. So for now though, it's my quick video. But so far, this is a plus. I like this product. I've had no issues with it peeling off or anything. This 80 millimeter is one of the different thicknesses they have. I believe they have 50 or 40 and 80. But I'll put a link down at the bottom, and hopefully you guys, well, this helps you guys out. I so far have not used even a quarter of the box since it covers 36 square feet. And just for that top portion, I probably will maybe use a third once I do the full roof. So the rest of it I will be putting down on the bottom. I'm taking off the carpet and doing that later on. Sound deadener down there and probably up against the doors and some of the panels. So keep an eye out for that video too. But so far, it's a plus. I believe the early Land Rovers had that same issue as mine does, where the roof doesn't have any kind of support. So what happens right now is that when you start going in higher speeds, the roof oscillates. And it kind of makes a weird noise sometimes. It's kind of annoying. But this will definitely help it out, as you'll hear the difference from beginning to end on when I'm tapping on the roof. It's a big difference, so that's weighing it down, and hopefully it doesn't bother me anymore. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Check that out real quick and go get some if you need some cheaper sound deadener than the Dynamat. All right, what's up everybody? So today what I'll be doing with this thing is, I don't know if you remember, but I mentioned it in the first video. I used to have a sunroof right there. You see how big that damn thing was? Damn. So, now, once I got that deleted, the issue is that the roof will wobble up and down while I'm driving, and unfortunately, when I got this repainted, it caused it to crack. So they use Bondo to try and obviously make it look flush, but since it wobbles up and down, the Bondo they use started to crack. I put a little bit of a vinyl that I had. Oh well, I'll get that redone later. Or actually, I think I might just, oh, that was a perfect example. Let's do this again. So when I close the door, you see how that wobbles? Yeah, so that happens while I'm driving. And obviously at higher speeds, it does it more. So, one suggestion somebody told me, or actually claimed from, well not claimed, Dave from Claim Fabrications told me to do is put bed liner, or not bed liner, sorry, put sound deadener to add some weight. So yeah, you could hear how flimsy that is. So pretty much that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna clean all this up before though, because yeah, that's how they, and to install the sound deadener, it needs a clean surface, and yeah, I don't want to redo it. So what I'll be using is scrapers and safety glasses. Now, unless you like getting stuff in your eye, go ahead, don't wear them if you're gonna do this. But 2 little scrapers I got should be enough. I got extra blades, and yeah, I'll be using the degreaser on there later on too, once I got it clean, to make sure everything is nice and clean to install the sound deadener. But I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, back to this. I scrubbed it down. Obviously I used scrapers. Take the glue, whatever that was up there, that gummy stuff, tar, and then whatever was left over from the original interior, I guess. Then I scrubbed it with some little Scotch-Brite pad and some just dish soap. Then I used degreaser. I thought it was pretty clean after I scrubbed it with the Scotch-Brite, but with that degreaser, I did 2 rounds of it. So it looks pretty damn good, clean. As much as I could. Some of these are like bubbles and stuff, or impurities in the metal, I'm assuming, or in the paint. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go grab the sound deadener stuff I bought, and we'll check it out. Start it up. All right, so this is what I got. It's called Kilmat. It's the 80 millimeter. Hard to read it there, but it says it covers 36 square feet. So I found this one on Amazon. I'll try and leave the link below. But yeah, as far as I looked it up, and I guess it's a pretty good product. The reviews are pretty good. Looked it up on YouTube and everything. So since I'm not a baller, this is what I'm going with. It's fairly cheap compared to Dynamat. And along with that, I bought the roller for when you stick it up. Obviously a blade to cut it. You could use scissors and a tape measure to obviously measure out how much you need. And a hot gun, heat gun. And this is to warm up the backside warm it up before I put it on. So it's supposed to stick better like that. So I'll try it out, let you know how it works. That's pretty much all you really need. After you clean it up, obviously, make sure you clean it up nice and tight, degrease. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with this and I'll let you guys know how it is, show you my progress as I go. So I brought in a new tool, spoon. I'm using it to get these creases right here. So far it's working pretty good. Sometimes you gotta get creative with what you use. I did get a little crooked though. So the next couple ones I'm gonna try and correct that, I guess. But so far it's going pretty good. Warming it up does help. It makes it a lot more flexible. So that is my suggestion if you're gonna be using it. If you're gonna be using this, use the heat gun because it's kind of solid, surprisingly. But the heat gun works. Tempo. Let's keep going. Look at that. Final product right now, at least from that portion. Looks pretty good if I say so. First time ever doing something like this. It was just a little difficult in the corners right there to tuck it in, and tuck it in over there. So all those little corners were a little tricky. Had to use my spoon. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good when I tap it on top. A lot more solid and not as much movement. So I just need to do that where that sunroof was replaced. And I'll do that probably later on this week. But overall, good quality Kilmat, I think. Works for the money. I'm not complaining. I'm not sure how Durmat or all that other big name stuff is compared to this, but I think it's worth it. Maybe 3 hours put into the day. So I'm happy with it. You guys have a good one.